you are confused when it comes to getting your Jamb e-pin. So in this video, let me just share with you three methods, three simple ways you can get your Jamb e-pin. They are just simple things you can do. Remember, an e-pin is a unique number that candidates you must get for the exam. It is the number you get for registering for the exam, and there are three ways to get it. So no need to be confused, no need to keep asking around. Just watch this video from beginning to the end as I share with you how you can get your Jamb e-pin. The first thing to know is that you must have gotten your profile code before you get your Jamb e-pin. And how do you get your profile code? You get your profile code by testing your NIN to this number on the screen. Just your NIN, send it as an SMS to 55019 or 66019. Remember, the phone number you must use in sending the NIN, your NIN must be the phone number connected to your NIN. So it has to be your own personal phone number. You cannot use your mother's, your brother's, or your siblings' own, or your father's own, or your friend's own. It has to be your personal phone number. So to get your Jamb e-pin, let's just get into it straight away. There are three ways. What are the three ways? One, you can get it in the Jamb site. There's the official Jamb website where you can get your electronic pin for Jamb, right? That is the number one way. You just click on this website, http://e-facility.jamb.gov.ng.c and pay/INITPAY. If you need me to send it to you, I can also send it to you. All right. That is the first way. The second way is to buy through online vendors. There are several online platforms you can buy from, and some of them are like QuickTeller. Just go to quickteller.com/jamb, then the year you are writing pin vending.utme or .direct entry, depending on the one you are writing. You just ask Google. If you need me to give you the link, you can ask me. So you buy through the Jamb website, you buy through online vendors. Another online vendor you can buy from is Remitter. You already know Remitter. Just click on www.remitter.net/jamb, right? Okay, another online platform you can buy is from OPay. You can buy from OPay online on your app. You can also buy through PalmPay, I think MoneyPoint, and other online platform. When you go to Google, you can ask. There are a variety of them. Then the last but not the least method to get your Jamb e-pin is the normal method, which is going into a bank, right? You can walk into a bank like this UBA. You can walk into a bank like FCMB. You can walk into a bank like this one, Access Bank. You can walk into a bank like Fidelity Bank, right? You can walk into Zenith Bank. You can walk into Polaris Bank. Now, beyond these banks, there are also banks like First Bank, Jais Bank, most of the banks that you may not be able to get it from are the microfinance banks. You may not get it from the microfinance bank, but any normal popular bank, you should be able to get your Jamb e-pin. So three methods to get your Jamb e-pin today is going through the official Jamb website where you with your ATM you can just pay. You can also use online platforms, online vendors like Remitter, OPay and other. Then you can also go through the traditional banks. Remember, if you have any question to ask me, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead right now and subscribe. Watch these videos, 7 Jamb registration requirement, and don't make this 7 Jamb mistake. These are all videos in our website. We wish you all the best. Remember to ask me a question. Watch this video right now.